Students, now we are going to study our second type of chemical reaction, which is decomposition reaction. Those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances are known as decomposition reactions. ऐसी reactions जिसमें compound टूटकर या फिर split होकर दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस का फॉर्मेशन करे, ऐसी रिएक्शन को हम डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन बोलते हैं. The decomposition reactions are carried out by applying heat, light or electricity. Heat, light or electricity provides energy which breaks a compound into two or more simpler compounds. Decomposition reaction जो है वो heat, light और electricity के presence में हो सकता है. This heat, light और electricity जो होती है वो कंपाउंड को एनर्जी देती है ताकि वो ब्रेक डाउन हो सके. Also note that decomposition reaction is just the opposite of combination reaction. So students, let's see some example for the same. When calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate, when heated, it gives lime, that is calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. In this reaction, one substance, calcium carbonate, is breaking up into two simpler substances, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So, this is a decomposition reaction. Please note that calcium carbonate is also called limestone and calcium oxide formed from it is called lime. The decomposition of calcium carbonate on heating is an important reaction used in various industries. This is because calcium oxide obtained by the decomposition of calcium carbonate has many uses in the industry. For example, calcium oxide is used on a large scale in manufacture of cement and glass. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. Thermal means relating to heat. Students, जब कोई भी decomposition reaction heat के presence में हो तो उस reaction को हम बोलेंगे thermal decomposition reaction. The decomposition of calcium carbonate into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is an example of thermal decomposition. Why, students? This is because this reaction took place in the presence of heat. Above decomposition reaction have been carried out by the action of heat. We will now give some example of those decomposition reaction which are carried out by using electricity. When electric current is passed through molten sodium chloride, decomposes to give sodium metal and chlorine gas. Students, if you will pass electricity to the sodium chloride, which is in the molten form, it will result into the formation of sodium metal and chlorine gas. This decomposition reaction is used to obtain sodium metal from sodium chloride. It is called electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. We have just discussed the decomposition reaction which are caused by electric energy or electricity. Now we will describe some decomposition reaction which are brought about by light energy. When silver chloride is exposed to light, it decomposes to form silver metal and chlorine gas. Students, जब आप silver chloride को light के presence में students, when you will expose silver chloride to light, then you will see that silver chloride has been split up into silver plus chlorine. In this reaction, the white color of silver chloride changes to grayish white due to the formation of silver metal. The decomposition of silver chloride is used by light. This reaction is used in black and white photography. We can carry out this decomposition reaction by silver chloride as follows. Students, take a china dish, put 2 grams of silver chloride in that china dish. You will observe the color of silver chloride is white. Now keep this china dish in sunlight for some times. After some times, you will notice that the color of silver chloride turns to grayish white from white. Students, this is due to the formation of the silver metal. Also, silver bromide also behaves in the same way as silver chloride with light energy. In this reaction, pale yellow color of silver bromide changes to grayish white due to the formation of silver metal. The decomposition of silver bromide is caused by light.